We're going to need an iPad or an iPhone. Today I'm using my daughter's iPad. We're going to need this HDMI and Lightning connector. This is the Lightning portion that plugs into the tablet or the iPhone, and this is the portion that will plug the HDMI cable into, right? We're going to, of course, need an HDMI cable with both HDMI ends. One will go into your computer monitor and one will go into this little device here. We just simply plug it together like that, and then we'll take this in and plug it into the Lightning port of the tablet. Let me spin this one around. You're gonna plug it into the same port that you would plug in the charger. Okay, you should feel like a little click when you put it in there. Now that is done. Now I'm going to show you how to get it to come up on your computer monitor. My monitor is an Asus Pro Art, so it may be slightly different from yours, but the steps should be very similar. Now we have all of the cables connected and ready to go. We have the cables input into our tablet. We have the cable input into the monitor. And so we're going to switch to the input that we have this tablet plugged into. Your monitor may be a little bit different if you don't have the Asus, but it should be kind of similar, okay? So on my particular monitor, all of my buttons are here in the bottom right corner. So let me see if I can zoom that in for you so you can see what I'm talking about specifically. Let's go down here. Okay, so if you look down here, you'll see these buttons. The one that has a little bit of extraness on it, that's the power button. We don't want to turn that off, but we want to click the second to last one on my monitor. Yours may be a little bit different. Okay, so here we see that I have menu, close, input select, brightness, and blue light filter. I have two ways that I could go into my input. I could click here, but I'm gonna do mine through the menu option since most people will probably have this or something like this. So I'm gonna click the icon that matches that. Okay, here I want to click this down arrow until I get to the one that says input. Okay, this one says input select. I want to go into this section, so I'll click the blue check mark for yes, I want to go in, boom. And I've already have my monitor, the screen, plugged into my computer using the first HDMI cable, number 1. So I need to go to number 2 using the down arrow. And then I need to click the blue check mark. It's gonna go black for just a moment, and then you're gonna see an image come up on the screen, and that's what's on my tablet. Let me show you the iPad. Same thing, my daughter's working on learning to draw Maribel from Encanto. So I just wanna show you how whatever I do on the tablet now will mimic on the screen. So let me just, hold on one moment. Let me change this to a thicker pen, okay? Now I'm just gonna draw all over the place and you'll see it show up on the screen. But as we see, I wanna outline this Maribel. All raggedy how I'm doing because I'm not the artist. But whatever I do here is mirrored there. And so if you found value in this, let me know in the comments, and please click the like button and be sure to subscribe, not for the sake of subscribing, but because I'm going to do more simple tutorials like this, and I need to know that you all actually want them. Right behind this one, I'm actually going to do a video of how to do a similar setup to this, but so you can screen record, because this one will allow you to mirror your tablet, but you can't screen record. If I try to record in OBS, you're not going to see Maribel on the screen. You'll still see my wallpaper. And so I want to show you guys that want to be able to record as well as use your monitor as a viewfinder or a second screen, how to be able to do that. All right, so like this video first and then click on the upcoming one, and I'll see you in the comments.